Which number is larger, 50 to the power of 99 or 99 factorial? At first glance, both numbers are so large that comparing them seems almost impossible. But in this video, I want to show you a method that not only gives the answer to this question, but also helps you solve many similar problems with confidence. Are you ready? Then let's move forward step by step. In problems like this, the first thing we should do is expand the expressions. Because just by looking at them, it's really hard to tell which one is bigger. But once we expand them, interesting patterns start to appear. Let's start with 50 to the power of 99. This number means 50 multiplied by 50, multiplied by 50, and so on, until the number 50 is multiplied by itself a total of 99 times. On the other hand, we have 99 factorial. That means 99 times 98 times 97, and continuing all the way down to 1. Now, let's see what this expansion tells us. Both expressions are products of 99 numbers. If we compare the numbers one by one, we see that in 99 factorial, 99 is greater than 50, 98 is also greater than 50, and this continues until we reach 51, which is still greater than 50. But after that point, things change. The remaining numbers, 49, 48, and so on down to 1, are all smaller than 50. So what does this mean? Half of the factors in 99 factorial are larger than 50, and the other half are smaller than 50. Because of this, we still cannot decide which expression is larger. So we need a new idea and a smarter trick. Here, the number 50 plays the role of a central value. So let's rewrite the terms of 99 factorial around the number 50. For example, 99 can be written as 50 plus 49, and 98 becomes 50 plus 48. We continue this process until we reach 51, which is 50 plus 1. We leave the number 50 by itself for now. Then we look at the smaller numbers. 49 becomes 50 minus 1, and 48 becomes 50 minus 2. And we continue like this until 1 becomes 50 minus 49. Interesting, right? Now we group these expressions in pairs. 50 minus 49 with 50 plus 49. 50 minus 48 with 50 plus 48. And we continue this pairing until 50 minus 1 with 50 plus 1. In the end, the number 50 remains alone. So how many groups do we have? 49 pairs and one single 50. Now, why is this grouping useful? Because we can use the conjugate identity. We know that a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. So each pair becomes, the first pair becomes 50 squared minus 49 squared. The second pair becomes 50 squared minus 48 squared. And this continues until we reach 50 squared minus 1 squared. In this way, we simplify 99 factorial as much as possible and write it in a very organized form. Now, let's go back to 50 to the power of 99. We can group this expression as well. 50 to the power of 99 can be written as 49 copies of 50 squared multiplied by 1 extra 50. Now the comparison becomes very easy. We cancel the common factor of 50 from both sides. After that, we only need to compare each pair with its matching term. We see that 50 squared is greater than 50 squared minus 49 squared. Similarly, 50 squared is greater than 50 squared minus 48 squared. And this comparison continues all the way to the end, where 50 squared is greater than 50 squared minus 1 squared. So the result is completely clear. In every pair, the terms from 50 to the power of 99 are larger than the corresponding terms from 99 factorial. Therefore, the entire number 50 to the power of 99 is greater than 99 factorial. And that's it. You can see that with a bit of organization and a simple algebraic trick, a problem that looks scary at first can be solved in a clear and satisfying way. Now, it's your turn. Which one do you think is bigger? 5 to the power of 100 factorial or 5 to the power of 100 whole factorial? Write your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can tackle even more awesome puzzles together. Thanks for watching.